What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take you through a hip mobility training routine. Now this routine is only 10 minutes, so that means it's quick and effective. I do strongly suggest to make sure you repeat this routine. Don't just think 10 minutes is enough. Remember, we walk, we stand, we sit all of the time. So in order to combat that tightness in our hips, we have to stay consistent. And what better else than to do today's routine? Now we have 10 different exercises to get through, guys. And the first exercise we're gonna jump into is 90-90 transfers. So this is a great warm-up exercise. What we're gonna do is stay in that 90-90 position. So like this, we're gonna transfer our weight over, really focusing on internal rotation of our hip. So this is internally rotating, this is externally rotating, okay? Now you can use this exercise, again, with your hands, or don't use your hands. This makes it a bit more challenging, so just keep that in mind. Really try to open up those hips. We got less than 10 seconds left on the clock. Keep that form, guys. Next up, guys, we got 90-90 transfers, but with hip extension. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're in that 90-90 position, and we're gonna just get our hips up, drive it up, squeeze your bunda. So like this, squeeze. Squeeze, guys. You're gonna feel your glutes, your piriformis muscle, even your adductors, strengthening that hip joint. Almost there, guys. Last one. Next up, guys, we got quad or hip rotations, circle rotations. So, right here, you're gonna be on all fours, and what you're gonna do, lift up and get a big circle, coming in, coming out. Try to keep your belly button facing the floor. So you don't wanna go like this. You wanna try to stay square as much as possible. Really get that hip to open up. All right, guys, we're making that switch to the other side. So again, switching to that other side. Start, I'm going out first. Really trying to open up as much as I can. And ideally, you go slow. Really feel those hips starting to open. If you do martial arts and you want higher kicks, doing stuff like this, guys, is gonna improve the height of your kicks, but the overall health of your hips. All right, guys, now we have 90-90 side foot lifts. So we're gonna work on internal rotation. Again, if you sit a lot, stand a lot, just run. Guys, we don't work a lot of internal rotation. So what we're gonna do, see how I'm in that 90-90 position? What I'm gonna do is just lift that back foot up, bring it back down, hold it up for like 1, 2, back down. You can use your hands to assist, like this. But you really don't want to focus too much on that because you use more of your upper body strength. You want to rely on those glutes, lower back, quadratus lumborum, which is like your lower back muscles. And of course, everything about the hip and the lower back. Just raising it up. Making that switch, guys. So, again, easier, this is harder. Keep in mind too, the more I lean forward, the higher it goes. Gonna have mosquitoes out here too, so I already know I got bit. You're gonna find a side that's stronger as well. So for me, my right is stronger. Whew. Okay, guys, next up we have split rocks. All right, so follow my lead with this one. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have my right leg out. I can have it out, up like this, more stretching my hamstrings, or in, feel it more in my adductors. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna sit back and come back up, squeezing your bunda. Try to sit back in that pose as much as you can. Feel that stretch along your groin. Ooh, making that switch to the other side. So sit back, guys. You're gonna find, again, a side might be tighter. This is my looser side. So for me, ooh, my knee's about to pop. There it is. So for me, guys, I kick a lot with my right leg, so it's a little tighter. Almost there, guys. Let's get a couple more. Last one. Great job, guys. Now we have a pigeon pose. So we're gonna be doing a static hold. What we're gonna do is like approximately 15 to 20 seconds. Let's go ahead and get in that position now. I'm gonna be counting. So make it easier, bring that leg like this, guys. You can also make it easier by bringing your foot closer to your pelvic area, okay? If you wanna increase the load, of course, like this. We're gonna switch in the next 3 seconds or so. And let's go ahead and switch, guys. Feel that stretch along your glutes, your piriformis, man. Just, we get so tight in those areas, I'm telling you. So we're gonna hold this for about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys. Okay, so the last exercise we're gonna be doing is a butterfly pose. We're gonna combine that with a deep squat. Okay, guys, so with the butterfly, you really wanna keep those knees close to the ground as much as possible. Keep your torso nice and straight. I got bit up by those mosquitoes. Hey, it's the price you pay when you train outside though, right? And I hear thunder and roaring, so we're gonna finish out. A couple more seconds, guys. Now I want you to get into that deep squat. Try to keep your back straight, okay? Chest big. You can even internally rotate your leg in. If you have healthy knees, if you're doing this in the grass, then you should be able to do this. If you don't have the healthiest knees, but we're almost there. Let's get one more, guys. Bypass the clock. Whew. Okay, that's my cue right there, the thunder. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you do stay consistent with your hip mobility training. You're gonna see improvements in your strength, overall movement, and just performance in general, especially if you're an athlete. Got a lot of noise going on. Guys, I see you next video. Peace and love as always. And now, boom, we out, baby.
Perfect.